Assumption is the mother of all fuck-ups. What do I mean by that? Let me tell you in this video. So, welcome guys. As you are aware, I am discussing about all the life incidents that is happening in my life and how those are related to the business. So what happened, if you are following me closely, so you must be knowing that lot of things are happening with our rented house. It is getting sold and we talked to the owner. So basically what happened, both the flats on the same floor were on sale by our owner, and one flat got sold, and all of a sudden we got under a very panic situation that we will have to shift within very short period of time. And with that panic, we were looking at different options, talking to our friends for if there are any homes available in nearby locality and all. So this was all the situation was going on, and this is purely based on the assumption that we will have to vacate the flat very soon. But I thought before taking any decision, let me talk to the owner first. Okay, one flat got sold, which is the other flat, my neighbors basically, and one flat which we were living into, that was going to be sold, and that was our assumption. So I text my owner, and later on we found a convenient time to talk, and we had a pretty good discussion. And I won't go into the details, but I will tell you the outcome. He told me my one flat is already sold, and now as that is sold, I am not looking at selling this flat as well. So our assumption was all bullshit. There was no basis of our assumption, and we were under panic and thinking about different things on ourselves only, before or without talking to the owner. How this situation is now related to our business, let's understand that as well, because that is the most important and crucial part. See, in business also, when we talk to the customer, we assume a lot of things. This particular product they will like in this way, they won't like that. They will prefer red color or blue color. They won't prefer that color or dark color. They prefer light. They are very they prefer cutting edge technology. They want product and services within this particular time frame, and blah 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 blah. There could be n number of things that we assume. But have you ever took the effort to talk to your customer and ask them what they really want? If you do that, I am damn sure, I bet, I can challenge that a lot of your assumptions will be wrong. You might be thinking something that your customer want this, but they will want something else. Hope this video added some value to you and your business. If you like this content, do like, share with your business owner friends, and help them also with the information. And if you haven't subscribed, do that. Stay tuned for more. If you want any particular topic I should talk on, then do let me know in the comment section. And what do you think? Have you talked to your customer before proposing them with product and services? Do let me know in the comment section, and stay tuned for more.